What is happening? Why is there this stuff on my screen? Okay, hello everyone of Jama. I am here to tell you to send me all your rares.
I'm just kidding.
But for real, I need to do a MailTime soon. So if you wanna just jag me a necklace or something, anything to make a video on, that'd be grand. Also, I'm doing art commissions. I'm just chilling with Zylic. We're just talking about our days. Shout out to Zylic for being one of the coolest jammers I know. But yeah. Be sure to comment if you want. Oh crap, I can't even think of how to sentence this.
Yes, how to sentence this. I know English.
How to properly word this. Oh my gosh, it's a party in here.
It's a full-blown party.
But no. Gosh, I lost my train of thought. Well, goodbye.